Hi guys, I'm doing today 2001 Nissan Pulsar. Going to replace rear brake shoes. So I got the new brake drum and the new wheel cylinder and the brake shoes. So, first you have to push it up. First remove the wheel. So you can see here the edge, the drum, a lot of dust inside and the worn inside of the drum. So you can see in the wheel cylinder is oil leaking. So you can see the wheel cylinders inside, all the oil leak, the brake coil. And you can see the brake, the liner is completely worn out. So you can see the new brake shoe, and the old one is badly worn out. So first we have to remove the cup. And for the 30mm the socket, you have to undo the thing, the nut. So we're going to now replace the wheel cylinder. You can see here in the two bolts in the back, 10mm, and the brake pipe. So we have to clean the back plate, everything for the ABS sensor. So after that we have to lubricate this brake shoes edges, because there is a touching together. We have to lubricate it, all the six edging points. So I'm going to install the new wheel cylinder. The two couple of 10mm bolts. And back brake pipe. So we're going to install the brake shoe. So I have to put the handbrake cable on first. The return spring. So we already installed a new brake shoes. So we have to put back again the hub. doesn't matter anyway. Look at the 13mm nut. So after tight the nut, you have to put the cup slightly back in. So after that we have to install new brake drum. So you have to need to adjust for the brake. So you can adjust here or you can adjust in the back. So after that we have to need to brake bleeding. So that's it.